Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful glam fam, hope you're doing well. It is fall time, so I'm really excited to bring you this fall decorate with me / vlog. We're gonna make my pumpkin spice latte, clean out my closet, decorate, and of course have some fun. So first I'm gonna start with cleaning out my closet, and look how cute. I got these little sweaters for the dogs. Are they not so cute? I had to show you them. Taking out my little jewelry organizer. And basically I am going to clean out all my summer stuff. So I put on a little fall video. I got all of my winter coats and holiday outfits and things from storage. And I am going to clean out all the summer stuff from my closet first before we put all of our coats and things in the closet. This is my second closet. As you guys know, I have a second closet in my living room. Oh, there's Jack Skellington. I put Nightmare Before Christmas on to kind of give me some more fall Halloween vibes. So I have two closets. My regular closet, which you can see in the background in the hallway, is like for most of my clothes. And then in here I keep holiday stuff, dresses, coats, dusters, things like that. Next, for the bathroom, I made my bed, but I'm going to sanitize everything and spray some Febreze everywhere and just get the bed nice and clean and organized. Make it every day because it does make a difference, and it also is helpful when I'm filming throughout the day to have my area clean. I'm gonna throw this really cute little throw on the bed. I think the colors match everything so nicely. This is actually a throw that was gifted to me from Pharmacy Beauty, and I just love the colors for this time of year. It's so comfortable. It's a really nice quality throw. I also love spraying peppermint oil everywhere. I don't know if this is crazy, but it just makes everything feel so fresh and clean. You guys know I have two dogs, so it's important for me for everything to be fresh. Now for the living room, I'm going to clean off the fireplace and just make sure everything has a good wipe down. Some flowers, I think the day before this, so I am going to put those in my honeycomb vase in the center of the fireplace. Usually this time of year people like to get sunflowers and things like that, but I think classic red roses work for every time of year. I'm also going to put my little pumpkin spice candle on, and it just adds such a coziness to the fall vibes. And don't forget to check out the description box for links to as many of the things I can find that you see in this video, including this vase. Now for the living room, I am going to sanitize the couch. Like I said, we have two dogs, so I make sure that I'm always cleaning, and we're constantly cleaning, guys. I'm actually like exhausted. My husband and I are so tired. Let me know if you have a puppy, how hard it is in the comments, because I gotta say, having two dogs, it is exhausting, and I think I've realized I don't want kids for a while. I sanitized everything, and I'm also going to throw this little throw on the couch. I got it from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. And then I'm gonna light my Palo Santo and use that to kind of create this warm and cozy ambiance. It smells so good. It almost kind of smells like a funeral home. I know that sounds bad, but I like it. For some fall vibes and decor, I'm adding this gold pumpkin. I actually picked this up this year from Home Goods. I like to always get the classic white and gold pumpkins because they last forever basically, and they're so affordable. So although I love the pink and teal and all the fun colors, I always pick up gold and white. They are classic and they work forever. I'm also throwing this Target throw on my little side chair for some more of that warmth and coziness. And then I also got this ottoman from Home Goods the other day, but not sure if I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'm going to go to the kitchen and do a little bit of cleaning, and I'm also going to wash my apples and pears with this Trader Joe's vegetable and fruit wash. And I think this is just so relaxing to like watch the cleaning and the washing of the fruit. And yeah, I'm really liking this little vegetable wash. Let me know in the comments if you've tried something like that before, but I am liking it. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy the cleaning and the vibes. My fruit bowl, drying it, and I'm gonna dry every single fruit apple and put it back in the bowl, and it just makes the perfect decoration that you can eat. And make sure to dry your fruit before you put it anywhere, because the water helps it mold faster, or it makes it mold faster. Now I'm going to move over to my little kitchen island, and I'm going to wipe it down and put down my bowl of fruit. And I have a little basil plant in a mason jar on that little wooden stand. That wooden stand I got on Amazon, so I will link it below. And that basil plant I've had for like 3 months now. I don't know how it's still alive. I'm going to put some of these Trader Joe's donuts. They're like apple cider donuts. If you go to Trader Joe's, get these, they're amazing. I'm gonna put them in this little dessert tray and display them. These donuts are so good, and I love how cute they look in the little display. I feel like this whole area is just giving me cozy fall vibes, and I absolutely love how they look on display. Next, we're going to move over to the stove area, and we're going to get all of our pumpkin dishes out. This one is actually like I think it's a ceramic or cast iron. I don't know where I got it. I think I might have gotten it at Home Goods. This one is actually oven safe, and I actually used it today. And then this white one is from Target, and it is a microwave safe, I believe. This one was only $15, so if you go to Target and you can find it, definitely pick it up. I'll try to link in the description, but I will definitely link similar ones for you guys. Even if you're not going to use them this year, definitely save them for next year, because these are a must-have for the season. My little pumpkin mug, I got that at Target last year. I'm going to make my pumpkin spice latte. So I'm going to brew my pumpkin spice cake coffee from Nespresso. And while that's brewing, I'm going to take another mug that's microwave safe. I'm going to add some half and half, some condensed milk, some pumpkin puree, some white chocolate chips. And I'm going to microwave that until the chocolate is melted. And now I'm going to froth it up with this handheld frother. I will also link one of those on Amazon as well. And then I'm just going to put that in my coffee. And oh my god, guys, I will tell you, it's so good. You could also use pumpkin pie mix. It's going to be even sweeter. So then maybe when you do it like that, just leave out the condensed milk. I'm just using regular pumpkin pie filling, so it needed a little bit of sweetness. And then I'm going to add some extra cinnamon and a cinnamon stick, and it is so delicious. Now I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. This is not something I would eat every day. This is definitely a treat for this type of time of year. I'm gonna have myself a little pumpkin bagel from Trader Joe's with the pumpkin cream cheese. Definitely pick up this combination if you've never tried it. It is just a must-have for fall. And then I'm going to move on to the living slash dining room. We have like an open concept. So our living room and dining room are next to each other. So the dining room table, I'm going to wipe it down. Now, because I'm not doing Friendsgiving this year, I decided to just do a little tablescape for us with stuff that we already have. So it's a little janky, I feel like, but I think it's still cute just for the vibes. So I put down this wood slab tray. I believe I got that from Home Goods last year or the year before, but you can find those all year, you know, any time of year. I will link some from Amazon down below. And then this big glass pumpkin I got from Target last year, and I will try to link something similar down below as well. It has an opening on the bottom so you can put fairy lights in it or an LED light. My LED lights weren't working, and then my little fairy light, the batteries were dead, so I just took this pillar candle, which is a real candle, but I'm not gonna light it. You definitely don't want to put a real candle in there. I was trying to fiddle with the lights and it was not working. So just for the look and the vibe, I think a tall pillar candle inside looks really, really nice. Some fairy lights would look really nice in there as well. But definitely use battery operated stuff. Don't use a real candle. So that's like the centerpiece. And then this pumpkin, we actually painted the little 8, if you guys can see. It was a 9. We found it in 2019 at Home Goods, and we were like, oh my god, this is so cute. Like, we wish that we had one that said 2018. And my husband was like, we can just change the 9 to an 8 with some black paint. And that's what we did. So it's forever a little symbol of our anniversary. And this white and gold pumpkin, as you can see, I got it from Marshall's. I think I got it last year or the year before. 10 bucks. I also have some real little pumpkins, and these are from Trader Joe's, as well as these little green ones. My theme last year for Thanksgiving was green. I did like an emerald hunter green mixed with gold, I think. And I figured, hey, why not just use those little pumpkins again to add some fall colors, since we don't have any other colors in the apartment. But the throw on the couch does have green. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. So it looks intentional, but it's really just using stuff that we already have. And I just thought, why not just create a little kind of mini tablescape centerpiece? I think a tablecloth or like a table runner would look really nice with this, but I didn't have one. But let me know if you guys want to see that, maybe on Instagram. Should I get a table runner? I think like a nice draped table runner going down the center, or like a tablecloth would look really nice with this. I'm also going to take this gold candle pillar holder thing and put that in there as well. And then I'm going to take another little white candle and just put that on the other side. And I think this would be really cute if you add even more pumpkins, some pampas grass, some dried leaves. But I didn't want to do all that, so I just figured, let me use what I have just to create a little vibe. Because before you know it, I'll be decorating for Christmas anyway. So I thought this would be cute just for the little vibes before I decorate for Christmas. Let me know what you guys think. For the bar cart, I kept it simple. I always like to add a little bit of a touch of the holiday season on the bar cart. So at Christmas time, I put a little Christmas tree, and then I grabbed this little gold pumpkin this year from Target as well. This little pumpkin was only $10. I thought it was so cute. Again, gold. Put that on the bar cart. And then I also have this Studio McGee wooden garland, and I added that to kind of give it a little bit more of an intentional tablescape feeling to the table. Let me know if you guys like that. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I just threw it in there. Why not? And then for the bathroom, I just added this little pumpkin candle that I got from Home Goods a couple years ago. I never burned it. I just realized, so I started burning it this year. But I love it. Again, white and gold, classic, and I think it looks really cute in the bathroom, and it also works when I take a bath because I like lighting candles when I'm taking a bath. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see. I'm thinking about doing like a spend the day with me vlog where I'm cooking and showing you different like easy fall recipes. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glam. Bye. Hello.